Hello, my name is Veronica and I'm in Triton College culinary program in baking and pastry major. Today we're gonna make a chocolate mousse. Which is super easy because we're gonna use only 3 ingredients, so you can make it at home anytime. So we're gonna use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. So first we're gonna dump the sugar and cocoa powder into bowl. To make sure we're gonna avoid any lumps, we're gonna whisk sugar with the cocoa in the bowl first. And then we're gonna put our heavy whipping cream. Now we're gonna whisk it. As soon as we have the consistency of the mousse, we can put it in our piping bag. If you don't have it at home, you can always use a Ziploc. And put in a glass. Put some decorations. I think raspberries works perfectly with chocolate, and the mousse is really, really chocolatey flavor. And some decorations. Voila.